Standard 4 children. Today, let us begin with the 14th chapter of our language. The name of the chapter is Simple Past and Past Continuous Tenses. Now, we all know what is the meaning of past. Yes or no? Past is something which is already over. If I talk about yesterday is already over. Whatever you have done or whatever activities you have done, all are in past. Okay, let us get started in this. You have some examples which will help you to understand past tense better. Answer the following questions and share your answers with a friend. What were you doing yesterday at 4 p.m? The word yesterday is there, means it is a day before today, yesterday. I was watching movie at 4 p.m. I was watching movie. You can write any answer what you were doing at 4 p.m. But this is what I have written. Okay. What were you doing yesterday at 6 p.m? I was playing with my sister. Means I was playing yesterday. Right now I'm not doing anything. Right now I'm not playing. But yesterday at 6 p.m. I was playing with my sister. What were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m? I was studying language. Means at 8 p.m. yesterday I was studying language. It is past tense. All these activities which you are writing should be in past tense because the person has asked, the question is there which is asking you that yesterday what you have done at these all timings. So yesterday is a past tense. What were you doing yesterday at 10 p.m? I was having dinner. Okay. Now, what is simple past? As the definition suggests, the simple past tenses describes an action that has been completed in the past. Those action which has already been done in the past means previously is known as simple past tense. Remember that simple past tense tells us about an action that has already been completed, means finished in the past. Okay. Examples. Krishna climbed the stairs. Climbed, ed, means it is in past tense. Means Krishna has already climbed the stairs in the past. The tailor stitched the clothes. Means the tailor has already stitched the clothes. They played football yesterday. Means they have already played football yesterday. Playing football is this action is completed in the past. Means yesterday. We add ed to the verb to form the simple past tense. Like climb becomes climbed, stitch becomes stitched, play become played, here dance become danced, ed. Play become played, walk becomes walked. But there are some exceptionals like write. We do not write ride, we write wrote. Okay, write becomes wrote, sing becomes sang, eat becomes ate. Okay, these are exceptionals. Now coming to the simple past, negative and question sentence. The sentences like I or you sang a song is simple past. But when do we use negative sentence? We use do not. Like a not or no should be there in the negative sentence. Like I or you did not see the man. Okay, a no or not word should be there. Okay. Question. It's an interrogative sentence. It's the sentence in questions should always end with a question mark. Okay. Like did I or you play the piano? Question mark. It's a question sentence. Negative sentence are those which has an inner meaning of no and directly we can see not normally used in negative sentence. Simple past is the sentences or the verb which has already been done in the past. Okay, like sang, this is the word which is already which is in a past tense. Sang is a past tense word. Look at these sentences. Krishna was climbing the stairs when the phone rang. At that moment when the phone rang, what Krishna was doing? He was climbing. The tailor was stitching clothes all evening. Okay, this tailor was stitching clothes. They were playing football in the field. Okay, means in the past they were playing. I was cooking when you called, means the time when you called me I was cooking, means during that time this action was in continuous form, means I was continuously cooking when you called. Okay, at that moment I was cooking. The verbs was climbing, was stitching, were playing, and was cooking describe actions that continued for some time in the past. Okay, this action was these actions were continued for some time period in the past. They are the past continuous tenses. Let us go by the definition. The past continuous tense tells us about an action that continued in the past for some time. That continued means it was being done for some time continuously, means it was been occurring in a for some time, means for certain time period in the past. We use the simple past tense for be plus ing form of the verb. Like here the verbs were climb, stitch, play. We have added ing. Cook, we have added ing from the verb to form the past continuous tenses. Okay, was climbing, was stitching, were playing, was cooking, all these are past continuous tenses.